Good afternoon, everyone. AI Residency, we have launched the Fast Track Program 3 months because of the summer break and lot of demand. That 6 months is too much time and people want to get started as quickly as possible. So AI Residency Fast Track, the dates are we are looking for people to join our batch, and this video is going to give you a quick overview of the program. There are a lot of questions that are coming up about this program. What are the benefits, what are the cost structure, how it is going to happen, and this video I'm going to walk you through and try to answer all the questions that my mentees are having regarding this. We are going to go through step-by-step process wherein we are going to learn basic Python, then we are going to know the generative AI basics that are required for you to build small projects, which includes Git, UI and all those things. Then after you build your first project, then going little bit more details into large language models, open source large language models, retrieval augmented generation and all the technologies that are required to build better projects. And this program is very much focused on the new age skills that are releasing end to end. The best thing about this program is that this is our full-time job. Our team is to do research and add latest things that are happening to the cohort, to the learning plan that is there, and this is an ever evolving plan. What you are seeing in this website as of 28th of May is the minimum that you are going to get. Over and above, we do lot of workshops from industry leaders and experts. You'll get access to everything. While we are doing this, portfolio and LinkedIn is very important to showcase your project that you are building. Monetizing your project, building a project that people will pay you money for, that is very, very important. Because if you have a product which no one is ready to pay, then the things are not going to happen. We are going to show you how to go to platforms like Indie Hacker, Acquire and the other AI marketplaces to start putting your project there and getting a monetization options and learning the skills of doing that. I will be taking the course, the main instructor, and there are a lot of mentors with me, and you all know about me, so I don't want to talk in details about myself. But the main purpose of this is not only getting your dream job, but also to build your own startup as a side hustle, as a side project that is there. And this is very important. One skill that you will learn in these 3 months is how you can build a small product and put it on a marketplace and put a wrapper around it so that it can be a sellable product. And this is what we are going to do. We are going to focus, if you can see this diagram, there are data scientists who build models. We don't want to build models. There are a lot of companies that are building models. To build your own LLM, you require a lot of money and chips, which you are not going to do unless you are working in government or companies like Facebook and OpenAI. Rest of the people are going to come in the AI engineering space, where you can use these APIs, application programming interface, and use these models to build your own products and applications and create a wrapper around it and make a use case that you can sell as a product or as a service as well. So these are some of the pre-recorded things that we are going to cover in these 11 modules. This is a part of the whole ecosystem where you will be having to do these essential prerequisites, and these are very much filtered and very you can say useful and important for your step-by-step journey. I have removed the extra things that is not required in this, but in these 3 months you will go through the important concepts that will build your roadblock for Python for AI, Git and GitHub, and then going into generative AI and using the Python skills and stitching with these foundational knowledge that is there in this particular you can say sections. And after that, open source LLMs like Hugging Face, how to play around with this is very, very important. Then I told about RAG and fine tuning, how you can deploy applications. Agents is something very new, and while we are going through these courses, we will be adding some latest AI agents to discuss with you as well. Without this soft skills, you are nowhere. You need to stitch everything together with your resume, your LinkedIn, your portfolio, how to communicate, how to stay up to date with the latest happenings, and putting everything together is very, very important. 3 things: how you can automate your job, what is the correct way to apply for opportunities, and putting your AI product on Acquire or Indie Hacker or any of the AI marketplaces. And these are the things that you do. Everyone has a task that they want to automate. Example, I write blogs in which I need to do research. This agent will do the work for you, and then you need to review the final product before submitting it. In other than these courses that are part of the LMS like Teachable, you will be getting access to everything in Teachable. Then you will have checkpoints where you have to do assignments. There is going to be mentorship calls with the team, with me. I will be doing the orientation call with you, and I will be one of the main point of contacts for any of the things. But other than that, these major 10 topics that you see, we will be having master classes where we will be talking about the major you can say things that are required for you to build your generative AI skills and build projects. So everything here is going to be shared with you, and you are going to work along with this 10 weeks every Saturday 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. UAE time and 1:30 India time. Other than me, they have a lot of thought leaders, CTOs, C-suite, PhDs, doctors, not only from the UAE but also from Europe, who are going to be your mentors and going to be part of the closed community to guide you, not only in the technical skills but also in the business skills, and also how to build your portfolio and how to get the right perspective of the industry. So these are some of the things. You can go through the website. Lot of happy customers, happy clients with what we have been doing. So some FAQs for you to just go through it. You will be learning around 20 major tools that are there. The ones that you can see, some of them you might know about it, some of it may be new, but we'll be covering a lot of new AI tools and technologies. If it is not here, something new that is going to come up also will be covered. And as a part of the AI residency, you will be getting access to a AI guild, which other than the recordings, live workshops, meetup recordings, ebooks, materials, LinkedIn checklist, sample data sets, and everything will be here, and you will be getting access as a part of the AI guild community. Now coming to me, I have been given a lot of keynote speak in global shows, global conferences, and we have been featured in a lot of newspapers and media in the world. And this is a sample video to see how we go ahead with the recordings, and you can have a look at this. And if there is any more questions regarding the AI residency, just to summarize, in 3 months you will end to end build multiple projects and have a capstone project, and where you understand the whole skills to build your own project and confident enough to get into the job market with these essential skills. So just if there are anything else that you want to know, please put in the comment. The first master class is happening on 8th of June. So if you are interested, the link to join will be on the comments below. Do register. We just need 4 things from you: your name, your LinkedIn, and your email ID. And there is a small fee for the administration of this whole program, which will be helpful. And this will not only help you get a job, but also build your own startup and get proper guidance from the mentors. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.